I have OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let's just do it as simple as that. Then find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose here the additional settings right here. Alright, here let's tap date and time. And as you can see, you can automatically set date and time by using that switcher. But you can also disable this option, and here you can choose the time zone. So you can change your time zone from the following list. You can also set time, so here you've got the information about the time. You can choose your exact date and the time. If you change something, tap OK, if not, choose cancel. And you can here also choose the date format. If you would like to enable or disable automatic set date and time, let's also use this switcher. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.